So when I do this, before I even talk about it, I go through everything I can, double check it, and then I start recording. So hey, I was right about that, kind of. I did say around this area, a little bit more south than I thought. And there's a marginal area down there. Wind and hail. Um, Looking through all this. 4 through 8. Okay. Check out the radar. Hmm. Zoom out. We should zoom out. Get the whole picture here. So there's going to be a lot of weather in the south and some up here. Let's check the surface base cape. Okay, so I had to look through this like several times at different areas. Oh, here up here, quite strong here. Severe, but it's not saying anything about a tornado. That's the darkest area for now here. Not the super. You know what? Let's look at the supercell composite too. I don't really look at it that much though. Significant tornado parameter. The surface base cape and the tornado parameter is the things I usually look at. There seems to be some stuff happening in Pennsylvania, Pacific Coast or Pacific Ocean. Something's happening over there. Is it Pacific? Oh no. Or is it? It's Atlantic. I think it's Atlantic. I gotta look this up. I'm feeling stupid right now. Atlantic. It's the Atlantic, not Pacific. I get those two switched for some reason. I shouldn't, considering I used to listen about World War II a lot when I was younger. With Pearl Harbor and stuff. I guess it's been a while, so I guess that's why. But yeah, let's check this out right here in Wisconsin. 1.3, 1.5. See, this is the same tornado. Between a 1 and a 2 down here. I'm still trying to learn everything on this thing. I still don't quite understand it that much. I mean, possible hazard type, that makes sense. This right here, I wasn't sure if my mouse was able to be seen. If I understand, I think this is weather balloon data. I think that both of these squares are these big squares up here. I think are, and of course this is like a compass. So it's kind of going southeast. And of course, these barbs here are telling me, yeah, I understand the wind barbs. I think the red line means temperature and the green is dew point. If if anybody knows, please tell me. But I kind of understand the candle, the candle. What the heck is it called? Candle map? No, not shoot. I gotta look it up. Candlestick chart. Okay. Uh, yeah, I kind of understand it just a tiny bit. Not as much as I feel like it. And down here, I'm not quite sure. I think that's the size that the hail could be. 0.75, almost an inch. I could be completely wrong. If somebody knows, please tell me. Yeah, okay. So there's probably going to be some severe weather here Wednesday too. Maybe even in Pennsylvania. But I'm leaning more maybe a slight area here. Maybe. This is just a prediction. I wouldn't say, oh, this is definitely going to happen like a lot of people do, and I just absolutely hate that. It's just a prediction, and I wouldn't. I just take it for a grain of salt for now until I start really knowing exactly what I'm talking about. I'm just doing this because I enjoy doing it. It's really fun to do. So when I look through all that, kind of I double check it just in case. See, I don't think it's just gonna. I don't think it's just gonna be rain. I think maybe Tuesday and Wednesday there might be some stuff going on down in the north. Maybe even down here in the south. So when I go through all that, I go here. I used to do it like this, and then I go through Adobe to edit it for my TikTok things. But then I switched it to this one because when I went here and I zoomed in the map to fit the screen, because it's vertical, the map would be very blurry and nasty looking. But when I did this, it looked completely fine. Even the camera looked fine. So I think for now, when I do my weather stuff, even if I'm not doing weather TikTok stuff, I'm going to do it like this anyway. And then I just go to town.